Welcome to the front of new Motorola Defy, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with the Ampere app on this device. So let's just first get the application from the Play Store, and here into the search bar enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, we just should open the app, and here click yes to agree, click close. On the left down corner tap to OK, and now we can see here the information what the temperature of our device battery. In my case that's 28 and 6 degrees. Also here we can see more information like the battery level, health capacity, device model, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.